With powerful legs, a muscular tail, and an eye on the horizon, it's a kangaroo. You might think you know kangaroos, those fuzzy acrobats that seem to own the Australian outback. First up, size does matter. Meet the red kangaroo, the largest kangaroo species. These guys can grow over 6 feet tall when they stand on their tippy toes. That's almost as tall as some humans, and they can weigh up to 200 pounds. Just imagine the force when one of these big fellas hops. Well, don't, because it might just be enough to blow your mind. Some of these kangaroos can leap over 25 feet in a single bound. Their tail acts like a fifth limb, helping them balance and giving them extra power when they hop or kick. These kangaroos use their powerful hind legs and that strong tail to help them reach speeds of up to 34 miles per hour. Oh, and did I mention they're herbivores? Yep, these hopping dynamos feed on grass and plants. But don't let their cute looks fool you. They can be tough cookies when they need to be. Remember those razor-sharp claws I mentioned earlier? Yeah, they're not just for show. And when two kangaroos spar, things can get pretty intense. Now let's talk about their unique way of bringing new life into the world. Female kangaroos have the ability to pause their pregnancies and raise joeys at different stages. Kangaroos are social creatures, often hanging out in groups called mobs. These mobs can have up to 100 members and are mostly females and their young ones. The males tend to be loners or hang out in smaller groups. And here's another fact that might just make you say, "Whoa, kangaroos are excellent swimmers." Yep, you heard me right. They often take to water to escape predators or simply cool off in the water. In fact, they're so good at it that they can swim across rivers and even oceans. Well, there's one thing kangaroos can't do, and that's move backwards. Their muscular tail and massive feet are built for hopping forward. So if they want to go backwards, they have to take tiny steps. Kangaroos aren't just fascinating creatures, they're also symbols of Australia. They've been featured on the nation's coat of arms since 1901. They represent the country's unique wildlife, and its people is spirit of adventure and independence. They're not just cute and cuddly, they're tough, resilient, and incredibly graceful. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride through the world of kangaroos. Until next time, keep hopping.